nose. But they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lynn. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to dress a corset top 3 ways. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what type of videos you like. If you enjoy these fashion videos that I've been uploading, just let me know. Communicate with me. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye. Okay, so the first outfit I thought we should put together is using this corset top from FashionNova and throwing on a either oversized shirt, doesn't matter the color really as long as it goes with the style. I use white to just be very simple and show you guys an example, and rolling up the sleeves to add that little touch. I think an t-shirt dress is a great idea to put with a corset. It goes really well. If you've seen one of my other videos, I did it with one of my boyfriend's shirts. And I say if you're going to do this, make sure the shirt is long enough, oversized enough, not too oversized so it doesn't look crazy. But here's the first example. And don't mind the makeup on here, I got on when I put it on. But pair this with some like jewelry, some statement pieces. I feel like will really speak with this type of outfit. You can put heels, you can put shoes, boots. It goes a long way. So here's the first outfit. Let's go to the next. Okay, so the next look is a puffer jacket. It's very cute. It's from Pretty Little Thing. This is the top, of course, and pair it with some ripped blue jeans. These just got rips in the knees and really simple, but to really spice it up, I would say go with either blue distressed jeans, really distressed and cute, or black jeans the same way. Or you can do jeans that have, like, I don't know, different patches and stuff. That looks very different. Or, hold on, I gotta catch my breath. I say even bell bottoms look so cute with this. And heels, it's a cute look, like a quick going out. Brunch even, you can do brunch. A quick going out, cute little outfit, and you have your puffer jacket. It can either be a simple one and the jeans really do all the work, or it can be like this one and you just got some simple jeans. I'll put up a picture of what I wore with this outfit. It was like half blue jeans, half leather pants that went with the top with some heels, some clear heels. It was very cute. So I think you can really dress this up or dress it down how you want. Let's go to the next outfit. Okay, so the next outfit we got are these black jeans. Like I said, distressed black jeans. The top is just by itself. Nothing really needed. I say on like a warm day, this will go well. But I got these ripped jeans from FashionNova. Of course, this top is from FashionNova. You can either do these. They're very regular distressed jeans that you can find anywhere. Or you can put it up a notch and wear some bell bottoms. So I'll give you an example of that really quick. Okay, so the next, not the next outfit, but pairing this outfit with bell bottoms. These are distressed bell bottoms. They stop like right underneath the knee. Let me see if y'all can see. Y'all can see the bell bottoms. They're very cute. The back is like this. It's distressed all the way up, just like the front. So your butt cheeks are exposed. And I think it's really cute. I love bell bottoms. I don't know if they started going out of style. I feel like it's making a comeback. So I have a lot of bell bottoms. They're so cute. And I love wearing heels. So they're a perfect pair. You know, wear your heels with them. They're perfect. You can even wear shoes with them. But like heels, like depending on where you're going, that sets it off. So I really like this. I'm not styling these how I normally would if I was going out. It's just a quick example, very simple example to show you guys an idea of what you can do. And really you can take this concept and go style it how you would normally do it. So if you guys would like a video of me showing you exactly how I'll style each of these different ways to style this corset top, let me know in the comments down below, because I'll show you how I'll go out, because I'm very, 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 very extra when it comes to dressing up. I love dressing up, and I love very cute stuff. So if you would like to see exactly how I will wear each outfit, let me know. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you got to the end, comment down below, comment a heart. I don't care what colors. You know, we could do red hearts. Comment red hearts if you got to the end. I really appreciate it if you did. Please don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe if you do enjoy this content. And let me know what you want to see. Let me know. I will be consistent on here. I love YouTube and I love doing videos. So I want to bring my work to you guys. I want to give you good quality videos. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see y'all.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.